So my dear students, let's see this question of GATE 2024. It is saying a slab panel with an effective depth of 250 mm. The effective depth is small d is given, total depth is not given. So the questions where total depth is not given, we generally take effective depth nearly equal to total depth when the effective cover is not given, when the clear cover is not given. Here in this question, clear cover is not given, effective cover is not given. We can take this effective depth nearly equal to total depth. We can take this because we have no option. So sometimes what gate does, gate gives you effective depth, it does not give you the effective cover or clear cover. So you do not have to assume those things. You have to assume the effective depth nearly equal to total depth. So in this question we are doing this. Now it is reinforced with 0.2% main reinforcement. So what will be the amount of main reinforcement AST? What will be the amount of main reinforcement AST will be equal to 0.2 by 100 of B into D. B, you know that the width of the slab is per meter. For 1 meter you have to calculate. So width is 1 meter, which means you have to put the B value as 1000. Now total depth is not given, but we can assume total depth nearly equal to effective depth. So we will take this as 250. So what will happen? The overall area of steel you have to provide will be equal to 500 mm square, because this 100 will cancel out. 250 into 0.2 will be 50. 50 into 10 is 500. Simple calculation is there. You no need to use calculator. Now spacing is asked using 8 mm diameter bars. The uniform center to center spacing in mm, at which 8 mm bars are placed in the slab panel, rounded off to the nearest integer. Rounded off to the nearest integer, which means this was a numerical answer type question. There were no options present. So you have to calculate, first of all, always calculate the answer 3 points after decimal and then give the answer as per request. Suppose it is asking that nearest integer, don't worry. First we will calculate 3 points after decimal and then we will give the answer as nearest one. Then in this practice, when you are calculating the answer 3 points after decimal, जब आप क्वेश्चंस को 3 point after decimal के बाद calculate कर रहे हैं, then the benefit is that you will do the correct calculation, you will do the accurate calculation. There will be no chances of error. So always remember, do the calculations in numerical answer type question 3 points after decimal. Then after that you can generalize. If question is asking 2 point after decimal, you can generalize. If question is asking integer value, you can generalize. So first of all, we will calculate 3 points after decimal. So spacing is always width in mm, which is 1000, divide by total area of steel AST, multiply by area of 1 bar. Width, in what width we are providing reinforcement? Generally width is per meter, so width is 1000 mm, divide by area of steel AST, multiply by area of 1 bar. Area of 1 bar is equal to pi by 4 into 5 square. So this will become 1000 is width we have taken per meter, so 1000 divided by area of steel is 500 mm square into pi by 4 into 8 square. 8 is the value of your bar dia. So now what you will do the calculation 3 points after decimal in your virtual calculator. So I am doing this in normal calculator, but in the exam you don't have normal calculator, you have virtual calculator. So you will do these calculations in virtual calculator. So this value is coming out to be 100.531 mm square. 100.531 mm square. So you can give answer as 100 or you can give answer as 101. So nearly, because this is coming out to be near about to be 100. So if I were you, I would have been given 100 as answer. So in exam you will see they have given the answer in the range. If someone has given answer between 99 to 101, everyone is assumed to be correct. So everyone has got marks if he has given answer 99 to 101. 99 is correct, 99.5 is correct, 100 is correct, 100.5 is correct. Anything between 99 to 101 is assumed to be correct, or 98 to 102, whatever is the range given by GATE. So because it has asked in nearest integer, so I have given answer in integer. So first calculate 3 points after decimal, then give your answer as per the requested in your question. So this was the solution of this question of 2 marks. One more thing, please correct here. This is the value of spacing, so this should be in mm, not mm square. So please correct this. This will be in mm. The spacing will be in mm, not mm square. So the answer will be 100.531 mm.